Alright, guys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar. I'm happy to present Baby Monster, first time on Goran Guitar, and this is a South Korean girl group that obviously love each other. This song is called Love in My Heart. So let's go into Baby Monster, Love in My Heart, and we're gonna do that with the obvious setup, capo on fourth. That's the absolute best scenario for us. We have 5 simple chords there. So capo on fourth, and let's go over the chords like we normally do. We're gonna start with A minor. All right, so A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have F next. That's a bar chord where you place the index finger on the first fret and you cover all strings there. Then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have C next. That goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have E minor. That will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E, and the final chord will be G. And that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. All right, so 5 chords, A minor, F, C, E minor, and G. Now let's do it from the beginning. We had the first verse, and that starts with this picking pattern, and it's based upon the A minor, F, C, and E minor. We're gonna do it chord by chord, starting now with the A minor part. The grip you need to hold here is 5th fret on E string and 3rd fret on A. All right, so I use my index for 3rd A and my ring finger for 5th E. You're gonna play this. Okay, so you're gonna play 5th E, 3rd A, back to 5th E, then open G, 5th E, 3rd A, 5th E, and open G. So slowly one round goes. All right, and in tempo. That is the first A minor part. Next is the F, and you're gonna hold this grip now. I use my index finger on the 1st fret E string in the bass and my ring finger on the 3rd fret A. And the pattern is very exact. So that's the same strings, and it sounds like this. So that gives us 1st on E, 3rd A, back to 1st E, open G, 1st E, 3rd A, 1st E, and open G. So slowly. All right, that's the F part. Now we have C, and that's a little bit longer, and it goes like this. Okay, so we're gonna hold the 3rd fret on A string. I hold that with my ring finger, and the 2nd fret D string, I hold that with my mid finger. And it goes like this. 3rd A, 2nd D, 3rd A, open G, 3rd A, 2nd D, 3rd A, open G, 3rd A, 2nd G, D, 3rd A, and open G. So slowly like this. Okay, so that is basically the value of 3. The other ones was 2, this is 3, and then we have the final chord based upon the E minor, and that goes. Okay, so that will be to play open E string, 2nd D, open E again, and open G. And the value of this is just 1. So there you have it for one round. In the first verse, you can play this for all of the 4 first rounds. So the 4 rounds of this is the first verse. Okay, so 1 round in total will be like this, a little bit slower than standard tempo. Standard tempo, something like this. and so on. All right, so that is how you handle the first verse. You could go with that for 4 rounds, but you can also use a strumming pattern that will be used later as well for the post-chorus part. No, actually, just for the verse, sorry, just for the verse part, and that will be to play down, up, down, up. So like this. Okay, so that will be, if you have the A minor part chord here, you're gonna play down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, if you choose to go with the strumming now, you will have twice as many rounds of that strumming round. So A minor, you just played 1 round for the picking pattern. If you go with strumming, you're gonna go for 2 rounds. You can go either this down, up, so, or you can emphasize the beat in that, and you can do down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. And the same there. If you choose to go with strumming, then twice as many rounds as the picking pattern. Now we have the pre-chorus, and that part starts about 58 seconds into the song. And I just mentioned it because I think they sing partly in Korean, South Korean. So in the lyric, you have to find that spot. It's 58 seconds into the song, or You Know Us. That's the English lyric for that first pre-chorus. Now we will have a completely different strumming pattern to use here. The chords will be A minor, G, C, and F. And one string round will cover 2 chords. So it will have to be 2 parts in that strumming. So what you're gonna work with here is just straight downs, okay? So you're gonna play the first transition from A minor to G is about 8 downs in total, but you're gonna split it after 3. So A minor, 1, 2, 3. Then you continue with the next chord, in this case the G, and play 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 downs on A minor, 5 downs on G, and then you just use that pattern for the next 2 chords, C, 3 downs, and F, 5 downs. That will be 1 chord progression, A minor, G, C, and F. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds. With this strumming, it will sound like this. All right, so slowly, 1 round is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, 4 rounds of that, and that's the pre-chorus. Then at 1 minute and 13 seconds into the song starts the chorus. Okay, so I won't hold you back. That's where you are in the English lyrics there. And now you have another new strumming pattern. That's the last one kind of that is happening in this song. And what you're gonna do here is to have another split between this strumming here. So you're gonna use 2 chords to cover 1 full round. So we're gonna look at the same chord progression here, A minor, G, C, and F as in the pre-chorus. It just continues. So the first part, A minor, is played down, up, clap, and then you switch chord to next, in this case the G, and play up, up, clap, like this. And then you use that same for the next 2 chords, C, played in the same way as A minor, and then F in the same way as G. So down, up, clap, up, up, clap. So slowly, 1 round goes like this. You're gonna play 4 rounds in standard tempo, something like this. I slipped on 1 chord there. Anyway, I think you understand. That's the first chorus. And we had also a post-chorus part. It just continues in the exact same way with the same strumming for another 4 rounds of that chord progression. All right. So let's go into the second round of everything. And this is pretty much repetition. Now we have a different chord progression for just the verse play. And the verse play, you will lose you will use the down, up, or the down, up, clap, up strumming here. Not the melody. The strumming is the best way to go here. So down, up, or down, up, clap, up. And you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord to start with for the A minor. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, then G. Then F, 3. And back to G for 1. And that is 1 chord progression. So A minor 2, G2, F3, and back to G1. That is 1 chord progression round, and you're gonna play 2 of them. So A minor 2, G2, F3, G1, like this. That's the second verse. Second pre-chorus, playing exact same way as the first one, and the same goes with the first chorus and the second post-chorus parts, played in the same way as the previous ones. So no changes there. And then after 2 minutes and 43 seconds, after the second post-chorus comes the bridge part. You and I, that's where you are in the lyrics. Now you're gonna play just 1 down of the following chords: A minor, C, F, and back to C, then A minor, C, and F with a huge pause. That ends the bridge part. Then we have the final parts of the song left. The third chorus playing exact same way as the previous choruses, no changes there, and also the same with the third post-chorus part. Play for 4 rounds, and with that 4 rounds, it ends Baby Monster's Love in My Heart. All right, so a nice song there, and first time going guitar for Baby Monster. Think they will be back. So if you're a fan of them, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Gordon Guitar, and until next time, play tuned.